back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a very serious topic, you get me? So alright, this topic will be about parents stifling their kids' dream. So if you're a parent, sit down and take notes. If you're a kid, go and get your parents. Pause this video, go and get your parents or your parent or guardian and just have a seat with them and just watch this vlog. Alright, so parents, stop killing your kids' dream. You all start to do that when you compare your child with someone else's kid, telling them to become a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, a judge, and list goes on. And parents, now I'm not saying that anything is wrong with those professions, but majority of the time when your kid is pursuing that dream, it's because you are shoved it in front of them. And society is messed up in such a way that they allow you guys, you parents, to get away with those kind of stuff. Those professions make a lot of money, yes they do, but life is so powerful and full of unforeseen events that later on from now, when they do leave college and they are enrolled in that dream job, they start experiencing pensive sadness because they now realize that the dream that they have chased is not really their dream, but it's yours, and that's very unfair. Help them to reconcile in life. There are many professions out there that do make a lot of money, and it doesn't have to be a doctor, a lawyer, or anything from the list that I mentioned earlier. There's nothing wrong with being a football player, a YouTuber, a singer, a photographer, or whoever, the list goes on. They all have one thing in common, and that is real happiness. I'm not saying all of them have real happiness, but most of them have happiness, and the reason that is like that is because they are enrolled in those professions because they decided to do it without anyone forcing them. So I implore you parents to sit your child down, ask them if they are coming under any pressure as to what they should choose as a career path. And many times it happens very often that they do not have a career path as yet, and to be honest, there is nothing wrong with that, because a lot of persons, as I said earlier, a lot of persons, they are now in this job that they thought was their dream job, and then they realize that it's not what they really want, you know, and at that time it's too late because there's no happiness in that picture. As for me, I want to do so many things. I want to launch my clothing line. I even want to be a YouTuber, publish my book, do so many things. And a lot of people close to me, like friends, family, even parents, they may not know what I'm trying to do now, but in the long run they will see it happen. I'm just trying to build an empire, because I'm not trying to get rich, because richness, you can lose that overnight, but I want wealth, because wealth is something that has to do with time, and that's what I am really after. I want to pass down something to my children coming up, because you can't pass on your job to your kid, but if you do build an empire, dynasty, heirloom, that can be passed down to your kid, and they don't have to be lost and trapped in this hard world, because it's very tough out there. I hope this was very informative to you parents and even children, and please just like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned in for more.